Recently I started designing my own 3D printed engines and came across the problem of making wooden pedestals for those engines. This short video is about the way I discovered is safe and sound. Enjoy! First I started using the table saw with this setup, and this is very dangerous. You should not do it. See how careful I am? And there's a reason for it. I'm too close to the table saw blade and I feel uncomfortable and exposed. So don't do this. And there's a second danger, which is like the piece, see, second piece almost jammed the table saw, and I had to stop and readjust. Anyway, don't do it this way. And here's the correct way to do, using a stop block and a sled. Stop block is attached to the fence and determines the height of the bevel. This is very comfortable setup and produces high quality parts. Be safe out there. Over and out. Thanks for watching.